I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good
sir.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Please come.
Yes.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
I'm an agriculture graduate. I have not done your post graduation.
Yes, sir. I have completed my post graduation.
So you have written graduation, not post graduation. Any other degree? Agriculture exam.
Please briefly introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Asima Anvesha. I am from Cuttack district. I have completed my 10th from Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Nuavajar, Cuttack. I have completed my 12th from Revensa Junior College, Cuttack. And I have completed my undergraduation from College of Agriculture, OUAT Bhavanipatna in the year 2022. And recently I have completed my post graduation from College of Agriculture, Nagpur, Maharashtra. And my hobbies are cooking and watching movies and web series.
What are the constitutional bodies available in Cuttack?
Public Service Commission, OPSC, Odisha Public Service Commission, and Odisha High Court. Other than that, sorry, sir. No, sir.
You're from Cuttack city or
City,
Cuttack
sir.
rural? Cuttack
City, sir.
Which area? City?
Nuavajar, Chawdiaganj area.
Nuavajar.
Yes, sir.
Subject is agriculture.
Yes, sir.
What is the contribution of agriculture to our GDP?
18% of our GDP is from agriculture, and 45% of the population contribute agriculture, which contribute to the GDP.
45%.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone to CRRA?
No, sir, I am aware of it, but not gone.
Where is it?
It is in Vidyadharpur.
It is very
Cuttack.
close to Nuavajar.
Yes, sir.
I have not gone there.
No, no, sir.
What activities are going on in CRRA?
There is mainly research activity related to agriculture and variety development, breeding. These are the activities of NRRI Cuttack.
What are the new varieties recently developed by CRRA? Paddy new varieties? No.
I am not aware about very recent variety, but Swarna, Lolata, Puja, these are the variety of NRRI.
We are living in a city,
Yes.
Cuttack. Can you say why Cuttack is flooded during rainy season? Cuttack city.
Yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
the reason behind it?
Sir, firstly, the problem is drainage and improper sewage or waste management, not proper waste management, and drainage system is little poor. And recently, the JICA work, it is not
What
properly.
is JICA?
Sir, it is a drainage management.
What is JICA?
Sorry, sir, I don't know full form.
JICA is doing this storage system
Yes,
in
sir.
Cuttack.
Yes, sir.
Drainage and storage is not good.
Yes, sir.
JICA means Japan International Cooperative Agency.
Yes.
Cooperating Agency. JICA. It is working in Cuttack for storage system.
Yes.
What is the population of Cuttack city? Do you know?
8. No, sir.
Approximately
approximately 3 lakhs. Sorry, sir. I am not aware about this.
It is about 10 lakhs. 9 present sheet, not 11 census. 11 census it was around 8 lakhs. Now it is about 10 lakhs. About 10 lakhs. Do you know what is SCO?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Shanghai Cooperation Organization.
What is the role of Shanghai Cooperation Organization?
Sir, its main role is region against anti-terrorism. Its goal is to fight against terrorism.
What are the other issues reflects in SCO summit?
So its main goal is to empower the South Asia region mainly, and other than terrorism,
The cooperation word means a lot of things.
yes,
Do you agree with me?
yes, sir,
Cooperation means what are they? Border dispute might be there. India-China border, India-Bhutan border, India-Nepal border. These are the one of the issues. Another what are the issues? Sharing of
migration problem,
migration problem,
illegal migrants.
economic growth. Recently, due to imposition of tariff, so they are united. Who are the nations now? How many nations are there in SCO?
So,
When it is established?
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I will read about it.
Recently it was.
Yes,
So go
sir.
through it because you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to
Yes,
appear
sir.
Odisha Public Service Commission. You go through it that SCO's role, responsibility,
Sir, currently-
when it was established, and as you know that India is taking vital role in
Yes.
SCO.
Yes,
Just do it.
yes. I will read about it.
How many urban local bodies are there in the Odisha?
And how many numbers?
Yes.
Sir, there are municipality, corporation, but NSC, but exact number.
NSC? What do you mean by NSC?
Sir, sorry, sir.
It is notified area council.
Yes,
A
sir.
smaller urban local body.
Which-
Medium urban local body कौन कहा जाए? Medium urban local body. That is municipality.
Municipality.
What about bigger?
Municipality corporation?
Not municipality corporation or municipal corporation?
Municipal corporation, yes, sir.
Hmm?
Municipal corporation.
What is the effect of greenhouse?
Sir,
What do you mean by greenhouse and what is the effect? Particularly to Himalayan range states. Tell me.
greenhouse are the gases which increase the global temperature, which leads to climate change. As you said, the Himalayan state, they are more affected as due to global warming and greenhouse gas emission. The ice melts, so this leads to different type of external events such as disasters, such as cloud burst recently, cloud burst and floods. These are happening due to global warming and greenhouse effect.
Why such things happened?
Due to climate change and greenhouse gas. Why greenhouse gas? So due to unsustainable development, rapid use of uh, uh, rapid use of plastic and rapid consumption of fossil fuel, and these will leads to carbon dioxide emission in the atmosphere, and also methane also produced in rice production also. This that is also
You have seen buildings are collapsing in the high flood in this region. Hmm? So why? What happened to those buildings?
Mainly, it is the region for we are destroying the wetlands. Wetlands can absorb the wetlands are needed for the sustainable development, but we are
Only
destroying.
because of losing wasteland or anything else?
Sir,
Only because of
only
wasteland or anything else?
um, other than that, wetland. Other than that, sir. um,
Environment, impact on environments are so many factors are there.
Yes.
It is one of the factors, soil erosion,
Soil erosion.
cutting the trees.
Yes, sir.
What are the other factors?
Other factors lead to
What are the other factors?
uh, 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 industrial development
Industrial development,
and transportation, fossil fuel emitted from um,
construction of road, construction of building.
yes, sir. Uh,
So how to prevent it?
we have to reforestation or afforestation practices should be done, and wetland conservation should be done, and to reduce the fossil fuel. Now government is doing ethanol blending. That is a good step. We can increase it, and other than that, we can shift into non renewable sources such as solar, wind energy. Solar energy should be promoted.
Is it this your second attempt?
Yes, sir.
First attempt?
So first attempt, I was interview.
You have gone up to interview.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then this is your second attempt. Okay. This.
Asima, recently there is a peace pact signed between the government of India in one side, government of Manipur in another side, and the Kuki-Jo community in another side. Do you aware about it?
Yes.
What is the issue going on?
Sir, there was a Kuki Moiti conflict from 2023. But now government of India, government of Manipur and the community agreed on peace, so that there is resettlement in that area of conflict. So government of India
Now the Metis community rejects this pact.
yes,
Why?
sir, they need the status of ST status. So till now they didn't get that. The root cause of that is the ST status.
Now with the advent of technology, we have already reached in the moon, right? We have landed on the moon. And still there are communities who are fighting to claiming themselves as the backward section of the society. Don't you think reservation system spoils the entire education system as well as it is a hindrance to the development of the country?
It is a there is a two sides of a coin. As needed for the development, as you know, as you said that India has landed to the moon, but a tribal area student in 2025 get a seat in NEET and OPSC at a interior tribal, for it is for them, for their betterment, but people are the privileged people are trying to get benefit out of it. That is not correct. If anyone is actually underprivileged, or they should be benefited. As
Okay. Do you have any knowledge of PMF, prime moving force? PMF, prime moving force in the economy? No idea. Now you are talking about reservation. Any idea on horizontal and vertical reservation?
yes, sir. The caste census is. Sir, I don't know exactly vertical reservation or horizontal reservation. I'm not able to understand, sir.
Okay, all right. Now, is reservation a right?
Um, Up to a certain extent, but there should be economic basis of reservation.
But it has been declined by the Supreme Court. Economic basis cannot.
Yes, sir. But within caste, there should be economic basis.
Okay, so basically, we're talking about imposition of creamy layer. Is it correct? Okay. Now, creamy layer is available for which communities?
OBC,
Only for OBC. Now, it should be introduced for
all.
others, SC and ST community. All right. Tell me the physiographic divisions of Odisha.
We have coastal plains, then we have mountain and rolling upland, and we have mangroves and
Where
we
mangroves
have
grow? Where mangroves grow?
mangroves are in sir, Kendrapada district, Bhitaraganika mangroves.
It is in coastal region.
Huh, yes, sir. Mountains and rolling uplands, apart from that, I am currently not able to recall.
Oh, okay. What is the basic difference between MSP and FRP?
MSP is the minimum support price, which is given in 22 commodity of Rabi and Kharif crop. It is given before growing season, before harvesting.
On the recommendation of?
CACP, and FRP is fair. It is for sugarcane. It is only for sugarcane. Fair and remunerative price.
Okay, for sugar cane, is there any subsidy given by the state? Which is the sugar producing state most in terms of quantity? Maximum production comes from?
Sugarcane producing state. Sir,
Okay, I am giving you one hint. Now, nowadays, sugarcane industries they are shifting from north to south. Are you aware about it?
yes, sir. There are varieties. Saccharum officinarum and Saccharum. Yes, sir.
Why are they shifting from north to south?
Sir, the climate in north, the groundwater level is depleting.
Simply the sucrose content is more. That's all. In South India.
South India sucrose content is more, and North India the variety have node means greater. Sir, ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିପାରିବି
Yes.
सर तार थिकनेसटा अधिका माने तार मोटेई जो गोटे गोटे सुगर केन
Kenda.
हाँ तो जोटा तले साउथ रे सुक्रोज कंट्री तो तार मिसिकी गोटे ब्रीडिंग करा है कि एबे ऑल इंडिया रे हे पड़छि
ठीक अछि current scenario रे Indo US and Indo China relationship how do you see it? Now there are a lot of discussion on it. The Chinese stand towards India is changing. Now no one can understand the true Chinese color. Now we don't know when they will change their color, but there is a change. And there is a paradigm shift I can say in the Indo-Chinese relationship, especially after this SCO summit.
Sir, due to US tariff, we have little bit माने हमर किछि रिलेशन खराब हो जाई यूएसए सहित किंतु एबे एससीओ मीटिंग जोगु चाइना और रशिया सहित टिके रिलेशन भल होईची जोटा गोटे दृष्टि रो भल भी काहे कि ना वेस्टर्न रो पावर ग्लोबल ऑर्डर पई हमर ग्लोबल साउथ रो स्टैंड रहिबा बेटर देन वेस्टर्न सो China.
All right, this is all from my side. Sir,
Yes.
please.
Mahanadi water issue, can you give me some hints on that? What is the issue of water issue of Mahanadi River?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about it.
You are not aware about Mahanadi
Mahanadi
water issue?
River issue.
Is it a dispute between which states?
Oh, yes, a dispute. Okay, sir. Chhattisgarh and Odisha has a dispute on Mahanadi River. It is from 1950s to till now, but no solution till now.
Why? What are the causes? What are the effect? Give me something. As a civil servant, give me an answer. Try to do that. Try to. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତମେ କହିପାର।
सर मेनली ओडिशा छत्तीसगढ़ रे जेतेबेले महानदीर जो मेन पार्टटा ओरिजिनटा होची छत्तीसगढ़ रे आउ तार किछि पार्ट अछि ओडिशा रे तो मेजर पार्ट रे डैम बनै कि छत्तीसगढ़ जेतु रखी दोची ओडिशा को पानी रो प्रॉब्लम होची तो तार सॉल्व न हबार कारण होची कि तार गोटे के बॉडी नांती जे डिसाइड करि परिबे जो ट्रिब्यूनल बनुची तार जो रिजल्टा सेटा नुहे बाइंडिंग नुहे कहा पाई तो गोटे एग्रीमेंट हेई परुनी ओडिशा और छत्तीसगढ़ भितरे
ତମେ ଯଦି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଚିଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ହେଇଥାନ୍ତ କ'ଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତ?
सर एटारे माने दी जनकर दरकार तो जणे भी राजी हेले हेई परिबनी
ଯେ ସେ ରାଜି ନ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ତମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? ୟୁ ନିଡ୍ ୱାଟର ଫର୍ ୟୁର ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍।
बट
କ'ଣ କରିବ?
mediation
What is the solution?
What is the solution?
सर डिस्प्यूट रिजोल्यूशन कमिटी किछि बनै कि लोकंकर कंसेंसस
When two chief ministers are not able to decide, can the people decide? So what is further step? Yes.
Sir,
Tell.
government of India should
yes.
mediate between the states and order something so that the dispute can solve.
What is your concept of a freebies?
Sir,
What is your opinion on that?
sir, freebies are no doubt needed for the development and social upliftment, women empowerment, but maximum freebie, if it will increase, it will affect the deficit budgeting and it will also lead to biasness about in the democracy in the government system, so there should be limitations on freebie.
And who is going to put that?
The government.
Or are you aware about such limitations, or to what limit? Do you have a mechanism for that freebies? No. Okay. And political parties can do it at their own way, right?
Is there any verdict of Supreme Court
Sorry,
on
sir.
freebies?
I'm not aware about it. I will read about it.
What role Shanti Committee plays?
I am not aware about something about it.
You are not aware about that, right?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Something.
Whether it is a
I am sure you know it.
point,
Sir,
very simple. Whether it is a government body or a private body.
Santi committee, sir. I have not read about it.
Kotak Pila, sir.
କଟକରେ ଶାନ୍ତି କମିଟି ଅଛି ପୂଜା ମଣ୍ଡପ ସବୁ ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
Can you imagine your address is Katak, Noya Bazar, ପାଠ ପଢୁଛ ତମେ Noya Bazar, ତମେ ଜଣେ and ଚାଉଳିଆ ଅପାଣିଆରେ ତମେ ରହିବ, ତମ ପଛରେ ଯାଉଛି ଶାନ୍ତି କମିଟି ମଠସାହି।
Gandhi Chowk.
ହଁ
Sir, I thought some committee of India level.
It is a committee. That is what is interviewed for.
there is a dispute. There is a peace committee.
I am finding something interesting in you. You know, you are very comfortable saying, I don't know, sir. I really find that you are taking it as a luxury.
No, sir.
Yes. This is sixth time you have said sorry here.
Extra?
Sixth time you have said sorry. Till today, till now, in your interview. And that's not a good part. Anyway, coming to that, coming to your topic, agriculture, you have done it in agriculture of marketing and agriculture of finance, right? Right? How do you think this knowledge will help you as a civil servant?
Sir, our main problem that farmers are not finding.
Our means what? This is a
Our
indefinite
state.
term.
Our state or farmers. Farmers have major problem in marketing and how to manage their finances, like how to cut their inputs and how to increase their output and how to maximize their resource use. So I can help in that if I will.
What is the difference between marketing and sales of agricultural products? It is about sales of agricultural product, or it is about marketing of agricultural product?
There is problem in marketing as well as sale. They don't have proper market. Like farmers have no awareness about the e-technology and the APMC rates, middleman problems.
Your answer raised two questions in me. You said there is a problem in marketing, there is a problem in sales. So do you really clear about what is the difference between marketing and sales? Are you
Both
clear?
are interrelated. Marketing is like how they sell the product, in which way, marketing, supply chain, and sale is
So what is the problem of farmers? It is marketing or sales?
both have the problems. Marketing, supply chain is not strong.
Do the farmers understand what is the supply chain? What they understand? The sale of that. So what is problem? What is their real problem? Sales or marketing? What are the steps government have taken for the increasing the marketing part of it?
Government link the ENAM scheme, APMCs are connected, and market information. There are awareness about and extension services in agriculture offices and KVKs.
What are the apps developed for this? For farmers?
Krusak AI app.
Have you ever gone through, have you ever seen that app? Such me. Have you ever gone to that app and seen what is actually it for the farmers? See, that is what you should do. You must do this. Okay. Second thing is, are you receiving this JRF? This is for what? For your PhD continuing?
PG. Sir, in PhD there is SRF.
Okay, so this JRF is for post-graduation program, right? Okay, how do you consider this? This is a scholarship or this is a freebie?
Sir, this is scholarship.
This is scholarship, sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. One more question. I see this is agricultural economics you have mentioned, right? Agricultural economics is microeconomics or macroeconomics?
Sir, all are included in that. Micro, macro, marketing, finance.
Both, right? Okay, I think that is from me.
ठीक अच्छे केतरा फीडबैक पॉइंट को आसिबा एग्रीकल्चर स्टूडेंट आपण तो पीएमए प्राइम मूविंग फोर्स आफ्टर इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस 1947 ने वी हैव अडॉप्टेड इंडस्ट्री एज द पीएमए पीएमए पर अर्थ होची सेही सेक्टर इंडियन इकोनॉमी रो जहा पाखरे पोटेंशियल ग्रोथ अछि माने ग्रोथ करिवार पोटेंशियल जहा पाखरे अछि ताको कहआ जाय पीएमए तो सुनिथिबे आपण 1947 ने वी डिक्लेयर्ड इंडस्ट्री एज द पीएमए बट इन 2002 वी डिक्लेयर्ड एग्रीकल्चर एज द पीएमए सेथिपा एटा इंपोर्टेंट ठीक अछि एटा देखि देबे पीएमए इकोनॉमिक्स रो पढिबे देन एग्रीकल्चर सिग्निफिकेंस एंड यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन एग्रीकल्चर यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन एग्रीकल्चर है देन करेंट इश्यूज पीस पैक्ट कथा कहले आपण किछि किछि जानि छथि बट आ डिस्क्राइब तो करियो ना खाली तो कहले हबन आ जीएसटी स्लैब करेंटली चेंज हिच एससीओ समिट इंडिया रा स्टैंड कोन इंडो यूएस रिलेशनशिप
In relation to agriculture, should सब ध्यान दो.
then greenhouse gas climate change climate justice physiographic division of Odisha India common question Odisha history common question प्रजामंडल मूवमेंट common question एक्सो देखि के जिवे बेसिक क्वेश्चन केतरा लिखि दै छै आपन नै जिवे ई अनुसार प्रैक्टिस करियंतु रेस्ट पार्ट ठीक अछि बट एग्जाम केबे अछि आपन बहुत टाइम अछि 10 दिन अछि आपन पाखे 10 दिन रे आपन प्रिपेयर हे परिबे भलो आवर चाहिए
ओडिशा हिस्ट्री टी देखि दो
लिखि दै छै ओडिशा हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी पार्ट सब को ध्यान देबे
I part I find really lacking. Your knowledge on Odisha and see you are unable to introduce Cuttack in 3 lines.
district profile most important
District profile सबुठु ते कटक विषय त जानो तुम घर आगे जाइका निश्चित गात खोलिथिबो तो जाइकार फुल फॉर्म ना सी दिस क्यूरियोसिटी मेक्स अस नॉलेजेबल इंटरव्यू रे सेटा देखा जाय हाउ क्यूरियस यू आर टू नो योर सराउंडिंग्स ଏ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ତ ଦେଖା ସାରିଛି ଅଲରେଡ଼ି। ଧଇଁ ସେ ହେଇଗଲେ ବେଶୀ।
ନାଇଁ 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 ସାର୍
Okay, okay.
ପଢ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ହେଇଯିବ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ବେଷ୍ଟ।
ପଢ଼ନ୍ତୁ ହେଇଯିବ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ନାହିଁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଚାନ୍ସ
ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ବିଗିନିଂ ଯୋଉଟା ମଝିରେ କହିଲୁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିପାରିବି କି ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ୍ ପଚାରି ଦେବୁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବି କି
ଦେନ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
ଓକେ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।